Jake, you're there at the Colorado Springs Fire Department headquarters. What are they telling you that people need to know?
Good morning, Bree. They're telling me that people need to know if they're in the Wildland urban interface, which is basically different areas of town that have higher fire danger due to their location to certain vegetation. And yesterday we saw a fire break out on the southeast side of the Springs, and that was in fact in that Wildland urban interface. The fire department says the fire was caused by a down power line due to the high winds. And Steve Oswald, the battalion chief at the Colorado Springs Fire Department, says downed power lines come with a lot of other dangers too.
As we move into the summertime, as we've been growing more and more fuels, grasses are starting to grow. Anytime we get into wind events like this and we get arcing or sparking, you need to be careful about fires starting from those types of events.
And earlier this spring, Governor Jared Polis and the State Forest Service announced 31 wildfire mitigation grants across the state. And those grants assist communities and groups in reducing wildfire risk in their areas. And take a look at this latest wildfire risk viewer map. Almost all of Colorado is in some type of threat, including El Paso County, and the worst is to the west and up into Teller County, which is almost completely high intensity. So as you head out the door this morning, it might be a good idea for you to check the website to see if you're in that wildland urban interface and sign up for peak alerts as well so you can get notified about fires. I made that easy for you to do with a link on our website. That's just KOAA.com. For now, we're live in Colorado Springs. I'm Jake Walker, News 5.